No microwave maturity. Even microwave takes a little time. No instant maturity. It's a process. Salvation can be an instantaneous process, but maturity and discipleship takes a lot of time. And you need to be willing, patient, enduring, determined to go through the process of maturity, go through the process of discipleship, and receive of all of God's blessings. Moses had 40 years in the palace and 40 years in the wilderness before God could use him for another 40 years. Jesus had his 30 years of training. St. Paul took 3 years off and went into Arabia and tarried all alone in prayer and prepared himself. Let's be willing to go through the process of preparation, rigorous preparation, discipleship, and process of maturity. That'll do us tremendous good. The amount of discipleship only determines the amount of good and greatness that can come out of our lives. God bless you.